Ever been in a cab, frantically digging through your pockets for cash, only to realize you're fresh out of greenbacks? Or maybe you've ordered food, and when it arrives, you're left scrambling for coins. Sounds familiar, right? Well, Grabpay is here to rescue you from these cash conundrums. But here's the kicker: can you actually set cash as a payment method on Grabpay? Let's dive in and find out. Now, I know what you're thinking. Grabpay is all about cashless convenience, so why would you want to use cash? Well, there might be times when you prefer the old-school method. Maybe you're worried about your Grabpay balance running low, or perhaps you simply prefer the tactile feel of physical money. Whatever your reason, it's a valid question. So, can you set cash as your primary payment method on Grabpay? Short answer, no. Grabpay is designed to be a cashless platform, and that's its core strength. But don't despair. There's a workaround. While you can't explicitly set cash as your payment method, you can certainly use it for your Grab rides or food orders. Here's how. 1. Book your ride or order your food. Start by booking your Grab ride or placing your food order as you normally would. 2. Select Grabpay as your payment method. When it comes to choosing your payment method, select Grabpay. 3. Pay in cash to the driver or delivery person. Once your ride or order is complete, simply pay the driver or delivery person in cash. It's a simple process that gives you the flexibility to use Grabpay for booking convenience while still paying with cash. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about Grabpay's other payment options. You can link your credit or debit card to your Grabpay account for seamless transactions. Plus, there are often top-up promotions and rewards to enjoy. So, while you can't set cash as your primary payment method, Grabpay offers a convenient way to book your rides and orders while still retaining the option to pay in cash. Remember, Grabpay is all about making your life easier, and while cash might have its place, going cashless can offer numerous benefits, from earning rewards to enjoying hassle-free transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.